Hi dear students, in this video I am going to discuss about calculation of number of atoms in a unit cell. This is from the chapter the solid state. Calculation of number of atoms in unit cell. Body center atom contribution. Body center atom contribution is 1. Towards a particular unit cell. Students, generally body center atom is for the cubic unit cell. We will take cubic unit cell. Body center atom is present inside the unit cell. Body center atom is present inside the unit cell. So its contribution towards a particular unit cell is 1, right? And corner atom contribution is 1 by 8. Face center atom contribution is 1 by 2, because 50% of the face center atom is present inside the particular unit cell. Edge center atom contribution is 1 by 4. Students, I will show you that model. This is a corner atom. Body center means inside the unit cell atom is present, so its contribution is 1. The corner atom contribution, you can observe this is, I have divided this into 8 parts, right? The top here, this side it is 4 parts, and bottom also it has a 4 parts. Out of the 8 parts, only that 1 by 8th part of this ball is inside the unit cell, like that I cut, right? So that means corner atom contribution will be 1 by 8, right? Next, face center atom. I cut one ball and kept like this. So face center atom, 50% is inside this unit cell and 50% it is into the adjacent unit cell. So face center atom contribution is 1 by 2, right? And edge center atom, 1 by 4th part of only it is present inside this unit cell. So I have divided this into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4th part is inside the unit cell, like that, right? So that edge center atom contribution is 1 by 4, right? Let us calculate the effective number of atoms for the different types of unit cells now. Effective number of atoms in an unit cell. Students, first let us take the simple cubic unit cell. Which has lattice spines only 8 corners. That is also known as primitive unit cell. Simple cubic is known as primitive unit cell. Lattice spines are present at 8 corners. Lattice spines are present at 8 corners. and each atom that is touching with the other atom along the edges, like this one face if you take, these are touching with each other along the face, they are touching with each other, right? If it is model, you can observe this is called as simple cubic or a primitive unit cell. So 8 this color lavender color balls are there, purple color balls are there. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 balls are there. They are present at the corners and they are touching with each other along the edges. So already next we are doing that packing fraction of simple cubic. So A edge center, edge length is A, which is equal to R plus R is equal to 2R, right? Here effective number of atoms, effective number of atoms is equal to total 8 atoms are present at 8 corners, but corner atom contribution is 1 by 8. So 8 will get cancelled. Effective number of atoms only 1 atom will get. Then BCC will take body centered cubic lattice. Cubic lattice BCC. Lattice points are present at corners, 8 corners and 1 at body center. Lattice points are present at 8 corners, 1 at body center. Non-primitive unit cell. Non-primitive unit cell. Right? So here effective number of atoms. Effective number of atoms is equal to 8 corners occupied by 8 atoms. Corner atom contribution is 1 by 8 plus 1 at body center. 8 gets cancelled. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 we are getting, right? So this is a model for the BCC students. Atoms are touching along the body diagonal. This corner to opposite corner, the line which is joining, that is called as a body diagonal, right? 8 pink color balls are there, they are present at corners. Body center is occupied by green color ball, right? These are touching along the body diagonal. Atoms are touching along the body diagonal in the BCC unit cell, right? Now let us discuss about the FCC unit cell. Face centered cubic lattice. Face centered cubic lattice, which is in the shortcut represented as FCC unit cell or CCP, cubic close packing. Cubic close packing. Lattice points are present at corners as well as all face centers. Lattice points are present at corners as well as at all the face centers. Cube has 6 faces, 8 corners are occupied by 8 atoms, and each face center also there is a lattice point, right? This side, right side face, left side face, bottom, top face, bottom face, front face, this is a back side face, right? Effective number of atoms. Effective number of atoms. Effective number of atoms is equal to 8 corners are occupied by 8 atoms. Corner atom contribution is 1 by 8 plus 6 face centers occupied by 6 atoms. Face center atom contribution is 1 by 2. 8 gets cancelled, 2 ones are, 2 threes are. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Effective number of atoms for the FCC unit cell or CCP unit cell is 4. Thanks for watching.